Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover US dollar versus Swiss franc. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the US dollar versus Swiss franc first. So basically what I found, let's start from a daily time frame, is we can see here that market rejected of the key support zone at 0.9130, and we have a so far the trend day from low to high, and we can see obviously here that we have potential for the test of this upper extreme of this trading range in the daily time frame. So area around 0.9215 or 220 might be in the play today. So intraday speaking, we can also see that 30-minute we got a test reject of the Friday's high. And this is a very good sign for higher prices on this currency pair, potential for the retest of the area around 0.9220 level. Speaking of the gold market, we had many narrow days here in a row on the daily time frame, and so far market is taking this narrow day and this mini trading range to the downside. Market is trading below the previous day low, and seems like it's like a bear flag, like a normal corrections so far this morning. Still, this market is in overall consolidation, so I will like to see if the market can break this 1930 level, which is actually a key level for me, and then that can eventually open the door for lower prices, maybe even 1900 again. So intraday, the downside is in control, the sellers are in control, and there is a chance for the retest of those areas. For example, this area where is also the 20 exponential moving average, like 1935, 1936 area. That area might be in the test. Obviously, sellers are in control this morning. I don't see any kind of bigger reversal or any kind of bigger exhaustion of the downside. So still more potential for the downside intraday, and the 1950, 1936 might be in the play. Crude oil, this is something we spoke last week. We were speaking about a potential bigger upside towards the 77.60 area, and actually market reached that objective and even gapped up this morning, and now it's sitting on those extreme condition around that 81 level. I will say lots of like cluster of the highs. So this area is a quite important area for the crude oil, and objective was reached, and now at this stage it's just to pay attention on this 82 level. So far we gapped up, but we rejected this morning, and we are starting and filling the part of the gap. So we will see how this will perform. If the market can go above 82.50 and 82.60 overall and can hold above that, can open the door for some higher prices. At this stage, if market have no power to go through this today, then there is a chance for some deeper move down through this gap area from this morning. But so far, it's very key to pay attention on this level 82, even 83 area on the crude oil. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, something that I mentioned previous week, so market is playing around this trading range, very well developed trading range in the Bitcoin. The area around 29,000 marks are like a strong resistance, and seems like market there is a chance for the test of the lower extreme of this consolidation around 27,000 mark or 26,700 mark, which is the key support zone on the daily time frame. So also market is trading more sideways below the previous day low or the Friday's low, and if the market can clear this 27,600 area, there can be more chances for the further downside towards the 26,700 area. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.